Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Honda Civic passenger side mirror. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Make sure you have the correct replacement mirror for your specific Civic model. Always work on a level surface with the engine off to ensure your safety throughout the process. This preparation makes the entire replacement much smoother and quicker. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Gently pry off the small interior trim piece covering the mirror's base on the inside of the door. You'll then see 3 10mm nuts. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these nuts. After the nuts are off, disconnect the electrical connector. This usually involves pressing a small tab and pulling it apart. Once disconnected, the old mirror should come right off. With the old mirror removed, it's time for the new one. First, carefully feed the new mirror's electrical wire through the opening in the door panel. Next, align the new mirror with the 3 mounting holes. Hand tighten the 3 10mm nuts first, then use your socket wrench to secure them firmly, but don't over-tighten. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely. Almost done. Before reattaching the trim, turn on your car and test the mirror's electronic adjustments. Make sure it moves correctly in all directions. Once confirmed, snap the interior door panel trim piece back into place. You've successfully replaced your passenger side mirror. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for links. It's a fantastic way to keep your car and home looking their best.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.